Yugioh! Into the brains!
Alright, this is a Drytron combo that I got from Logan JYA, and he got this combo from Pelican. This one right here. I did it on Yugioh Omega. Just want to show you guys. Oh, come on. This one right here. This is the Recycle Eva. It's almost the same combo. You got Alpha, Zeta, got the Ben 10, Zeta, Tribute, Ben 10, get the Ritual, Ben 10 Diviner, you could go overlay for Fafnir or Diviner, doesn't matter, Diviner effects and the Herald of Arclight. Add ultimateness. Fafnir, dump Gamma. And this is where it changes up here. Usually it's Medion's Drytron for ultimateness, but you need ultimateness in the hand for Gamma. So this is where it changes up. Drytron, Medion's Drytron, detached from Fafnir, Ben 10. Now you could get him back. You could do that after, or do it now with the ritual spell. This is not an EDOPRO proof. So go Beatrice detach, send Eva. Oh, Eva, banish those two to add those two. Gamma, tribute, ultimateness, and then a special summon back Drytron. Those two for Hippo Shin, that dude. And then Medion's Drytron detach for ultimateness. Set his turn, and then on his turn Beatrice, detach, and then you send this one right here, high rate draw. And then as soon as he does something, you activate high rate draw to pop and set. And when this guy gets popped, you can target one light monster in your graveyard, add it to your hand. That's gonna get back your Eva. It's gonna activate something. It's gonna use ultimateness to send the Eva, activate Eva. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to banish your Ben 10, so you banish Hip and Ben to add Diviner and Herald. There you go. You have as your 1, 2, 4 or 5 negates. If you had another fairy, that would have been 6. And then I just finished off the duel here. I got the Red Eyes package in here. Pop, tack. Let's do it. There you go, guys. Comment, share, like if you subbed this, I'll be selected. See you guys.